Good morning and welcome back to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I just got back from running an errand at LA Merchandise where I get all of my Indian herbs and spices and other things. I was looking for Kasuri Methi, or it's Methi. I'm not sure if it's Methi or Meti. Sorry. Which actually is dried fenugreek leaves. I have fenugreek seed, but seed and leaves, as you know, are very different. And they usually have different types of flavor. So let's take a look.
This is the Kasuri Methi that I purchased at LA Merchandise, also known as dried fenugreek leaves. Here's what the dried fenugreek leaves or kasuri looks like. Obviously green in color, has a very distinct smell. Hard to describe, but it does smell yummy.
The fun part of this story is, I don't know the store like the back of my hand, but I know pretty much where things are, generally. And I was trying not to be a bother, to the staff. So I found it after several minutes going up and down to the two urban spice aisles. I decided I just have to go ask. So the owner's son, him and I have a friend, a friendly friendship going over these last few years. And so finally I says, okay, this is what I'm looking for. He goes, come here. Younger, 25-ish. So down the main aisle, he shows me literally the display for this dried fenugreek leaves. As you can see, that was a little box. They have big boxes. Apparently, this is a very common ingredient in Indian food. In the 25-ish years I have been preparing Indian food, I have never ran across this ingredient until the dish I'm making tonight. So, when you go to LA Merchandise and you can't find something, because I was told they have over 2,000 items in their store, ask. They pretty much know where everything is. And they're very kind and very helpful. So that's my fun story for this morning. All right. Have a great day. Eat great food and have fun cooking.